What's up, knife people? Back again, more of these knives. Yes, I'm gonna go back to back today. Happy Independence Day, 4th of July, whatever you guys like to call it. Show you one of my carries, one of my favorite carries, American made LT Wright knives, Patriot, and blue G10, blue and black G10, 3V steel, nice little sturdy drop point spear-like blade. So I'll put that aside again and we'll get back to business. I'll show you my second pickup for today that I got again from Knife Connection. This company goes by the name of Very Good Knives, Very Good Knife Company, and well, I'll show you what I got. So here we go. Nice Kydex sheath, red canvas handles, micarta, some black liners, and really cool, nicely fitted Kydex sheath, taco sheath with Very Good Knives initials on there. Little ramp off, soft loop carry, and here we go. Nice push off. This is the little Adventurer. Again, really cool knife. Very nice neutral handle. And get all 4 fingers on there, no problem. It's a beautiful grip. Nice neutral, very simple, plain design. With that also kind of drop point. Slight drop point with a nice belly, full flat, Very Good Knife Company, and AEB-L steel as well. Kind of with a nice finish on there already. Either a heavy stonewash. Yeah, really nice. Maybe acided a little bit with some dark pins. Goes really nice with the finish. And the black liners, beautiful micarta, feels nice and rich in the hand, beautiful texture, no slippage, really cool pickup. So I thought I'd just go back to back. I just finished the video showing you guys the little Holston, and I had mentioned about this knife being sized up, and lo and behold, I already have this one. I got this one recently as well. And there you go. That's a nice size up there difference. But of course, different company. Really liking that red micarta lately, I guess. So yeah, this is more of a small fixed blade. Maybe not necessarily in your pocket, but more of a appendix carry, maybe belt carry on the side. This one does come with soft loop carry, very positive click, very nice release, and even with this you could even put it in just with the little hook here. Again, soft loop carry, so on the side of the belt, on the side of the waist. Fits very nice. So yeah, really blown away just by the craftsmanship of the Very Good Company. Very simple, very sleek, just nice craftsmanship overall, nice rounded edges, nothing biting you anywhere. It's just very beautifully done. Let's go into some measurements. Or here, let's weigh it first. We'll weigh the knife alone. Or actually, here, let me do this first before I start, before I forget. Blade thickness, 0.11. Sorry I jump around on the specs a little bit. It's kind of hard when you're not doing videos consistently. You kind of lose your timing a little bit. So behind the edge, this one got 0.01. See right behind the edge. So right there. And again, point 0.10. A little thicker than the Holston. 0.11. Yeah, I would say 0.11. I think it comes at 0.10, 0.5. Yeah, so I would say 0.11. Handle thickness, 1/2 inch thick all the way through. Pretty symmetrical at the fattest here, almost 1 inch. So that's where you get a nice different feel for this knife. It's a little bigger, more manageable. There is no lanyard hole for, so you probably don't need it. Honestly, you get such great grip here, so don't need the lanyard. Here's the weight. Looking at 3.2 with the soft loop carry. Jumps up to 4.4. Yeah, so 4.4, which is still very manageable. 4.2, no, 4.4. Okay. So still very manageable carry. And very nice click. So you don't have to worry about it going anywhere. It's obviously very secure, look, no noise, no rattle. Beautiful pop off. Where you going, buddy? Knocking things over. My gingerbread Deadpool. Kids gave that to me for Father's Day. Love you, kids. So now maybe I'll just jump into showing you some comparisons. I already showed you the small Lycian I just got as well. So nice size up there. See the difference. Like thickness. Yeah. Of course in size. Some tend to forget about the Izula. Pretty close, pretty similar in geometry, especially in the blade. Kind of like an upsized Izula. So I'll show you that over the top. And of course, since I already have it out here, Guardian 3 from Bradford. Let's get a top-down look on it. Very nice. Again, you can see the similarities there in blade shape with the Izula. Pretty cool. Let me show you now. I'll take out the Izula. I'll put in the Nautilus TKL knives. I'll take out the Bradford. I'll put, I know I don't show it much, but the BGM knives, the Junko, I believe is the name. Yeah, kind of a thick chunker too. I'm sweating now, what the heck? With the cord wrap, it's a lot thinner. See that? So again, a little bit in that 7.5 carry, inch carry from 6.5 to 7.5. I didn't even measure it either. There you go. That's over the top, and then let me measure it since I forgot to measure it here. That one is 7's here. So just under 7.5 inches. And compared to like this one here, which is right at 7. A little under 7 as well. over 7, I'm sorry. And the TCal is about 6.5. There. Yeah. So there you guys go. You guys can get any range of sizes for, you know, fixed blade carry nowadays. I mean, you have pocket, you know, you have the small carries like this one, can go in pocket. Again, with this nice sheath. Some of these bigger ones, of course, you have to go to find the right sheath one. Long sheath. So these here you can. This one I do use in pocket. I'm on the bigger side, but it just takes up a lot of space. Just, you know, the Ulti-Clip fit perfect on the taco sheath. And again, since it's not very thick, so I could pocket carry that one. As well as the Bradford Guardian. Again, that's probably the biggest I'd go in pocket. So, yeah. So one more time. The Adventure Junior, I'm sorry, I believe is the name. Adventure Junior from Very Good Knives. And it also even reminds me of, since I have it out here, this LT Wright Frontier First. Very similar, again, different size. So kind of just like a bigger brethren of it. Again, almost as thick on this one. So just to get some more options, some likenesses there from different knives. And yeah, go check them out. Very Good Knives, or Very Good Knife Company. They have a lot of cool stuff coming out. They're a smaller company. Haven't seen them around too much, but go check them again at like Knife Connection, or check out the website here. I'll take a quick still of that. Doing good things, and craftsmanship is off the charts. American made knives, can't go wrong. So again, I won't ramble on, but again, if you like the channel, like what I show, again, this is just my pickups, my collection. Stick back for more, you know, stick back for more, come back for more, and as always, I'll catch you guys on the fix side. Have a good one. Bam.